So you're probably wondering why I'm sitting here in the dark. It's a very simple explanation. The power company had to turn off everyone's power to do something. I'm not really sure exactly what. Anyways, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking about what I can do. I'm thinking, my computer takes batteries. I'll get on YouTube. Well, hold on. The modem, that's off. We take power. We don't even think about it. We just take it, use it. We don't even think about it. It's crazy to me. I thought, maybe I could heat up some chili from tonight. Well, wait, hold on. The microwave doesn't work. Can't use that. Makes me think. Is my refrigerator on? The refrigerator and the freezer are not on. So that's great. The filter for my fish tank is off. That's not good for my fish's health. I want to use my phone, but I might run out of battery and then I won't be able to wake up tomorrow morning. So I've probably been sitting here for about 10 minutes now and I'm thinking, what could I do that doesn't use power? And I thought, I can balance my gimbal, but that still uses power. It uses a battery. I could watch YouTube on my phone. Use data. That still uses power, uses a battery. And it makes me realize how much of our life revolves around having energy and power. It's ridiculous. 100 years ago, 200 years ago, they were not using anywhere as much power as we use now, and they were living their lives just fine. And now, power's out for a couple hours and we're freaking out. It's a little bit ridiculous, honestly. Crazy. Hey, what's going on over there? Tux. So I guess I'll be sitting here in the dark for a while until the power turns back on. At least the toilet still works. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. Make sure to check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Live Laughing and One Article. Don't keep laughing. Peace.